Okay, so let's look at question number 31. So question number 31, it's saying the diagram shows a fetus in the uterus. The diagram shows a fetus in the uterus. Which statement is true? Which statement is true? Okay, so in this case, they want us to identify a part and its correct corresponding function. So they want us to identify a structure and its corresponding function. Okay, so we have the parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's identify part 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we are going to look at the functions of each. So 1 is the placenta. 1, placenta. 2, amniotic fluid. 3, amnion bag. 4, umbilical cord. 1, placenta. 2, amniotic fluid. 3, amnion bag. And 4, umbilical cord. So these are the structures we've been given. Now, let's look at the functions of these structures. Then we can look at now the answers we've been given. Okay, so 1, this is our placenta. So what is the function of 1? 1 is the placenta, and the function of the placenta, it is to supply nutrients and oxygen to the fetus. 1 supplies oxygen and nutrients to the what? To the fetus. Okay, then 1 also prevents harm of substances such as nicotine and alcohol from diffusing to the fetus. 1, it also prevents toxic or harmful substances such as nicotine and alcohol from diffusing to the fetus. Okay, then 2 is our amniotic fluid. 2 is our amniotic fluid. What is the function of the amniotic fluid? So the amniotic fluid, it prevents the fetus from dehydration and mechanical shock. 2 prevents the fetus from dehydration and mechanical shock. Then 3 is our amnion sac. So the amnion sac holds the fetus together with the amniotic fluid. The amnion sac, it holds the fetus together with the amniotic fluid, which is 3. Then 4 is the umbilical cord. 4 is the umbilical cord. So the function of the umbilical cord is to transport nutrients and oxygen from the placenta to the fetus. The function of the amniotic fluid, it is to transport nutrients and oxygen from the placenta to the fetus. It also transports carbon dioxide and other waste products from the fetus to the placenta. Okay, let me go through once again. 1 is our placenta. Placenta, 1, we say the placenta supplies nutrients and oxygen to the fetus. 2, placenta prevents harm of substances such as nicotine and alcohol from diffusing into the what? Fetus. Then 2 is the amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid prevents the fetus from dehydration and mechanical shocks. 3 is our amnion sac or amnion bag. This amnion sac, it holds the fetus together with the amniotic fluid. Then 4 is our umbilical cord. The umbilical cord transports nutrients and oxygen from the placenta to the fetus. It also transports carbon dioxide and other waste products from the fetus to the placenta. So the correct answer in this case is what? A. 1 prevents nicotine and alcohol from diffusing to the fetus. So it acts as a filter which prevents harmful toxic substances from diffusing from the mother's blood into the what in the fetus blood, because the mother's blood as the immune system of the mother's blood is strong as compared to the fetus. So those substances such as nicotine and alcohol should not diffuse in the blood of the fetus. Okay, so what prevents nicotine and alcohol and other harmful substances from entering or diffusing in the blood of the fetus is the placenta, which is the 1. So the answer for question number 31, ladies and gentlemen, is A. 1, which is the placenta, prevents nicotine and the alcohol from diffusing to the fetus.